so I let Ron do the dirty work while I pull up the anchor. Okay, I want Ron to tell you this story. Sounds pretty cool to me. I made him quit telling me so he can tell you. Ready?
But I prefer to talk to you around on the other side of the camera. So,
why do we do a YouTube channel when we're both so shy of the cameras?
I don't know. So Marie was asking about on our chart plotter, it's showing mile marker 1250 on the ICW, and so I was telling her that's the last mile marker on the ICW. They're in 5 mile increments, and the first one, mile marker 0, of course, is in Norfolk, Virginia. So since we left Norfolk, Virginia a year or 2 ago,
we don't even remember how long it's been.
I don't remember when we were there. And not counting all the side trips we made up into the St. John's and back and forth, we went to South Carolina, I don't know how many times. We have traveled 1,250 miles, that's what that means. And of course, we started, you know, we went up into the Chesapeake and spent some time there, so it's been much further than 1,250 miles, but in the ICW, straight shot from Norfolk to here is 1,250 miles, so that's what we've done.
Okay, you did a good job. And that is our beautiful view. I think we're heading west or southwest, and the Keys, or Key West, is way over there, and there's a cruise ship over there, I think. Yes. Maybe a couple of cruise ships.
Key West.
Yeah, the tallest thing in Key West is a cruise ship. And we have to go around because we do not have the local knowledge to cut straight across, so we are going around, which will take us to mile marker 1250. See, there was a reason we did this.
Okay.
It's us. We're cutting the corner a little bit, but there's the mile marker 1250 right there. We have arrived in Key West. The mooring field was full, so we are anchored out, and the wind has picked up a little bit, but it's a beautiful day. The water's a beautiful blue, the sky's a beautiful blue, got poofy white clouds around, so we have some shade. Looks like there might be a possible little sprinkle, rain sprinkle here or there, but I guess we will start doing some visiting in town after we get some laundry done. As usual, it's been like a month since we, no, actually, well, yeah, This is the end of January. Last time we did laundry was in Stuart, Florida. And so yeah, it's been a month since we've done laundry. But we're not going to do it today. And anyway, I hope y'all enjoy watching. I'm not sure if this will be the end of a video or the beginning of a video. But we don't usually, you know, advertise real big or anything, but if you like our channel, go ahead and give us a like. We love your comments, and if we see you along the way, stop and say hi. Come over to our boat.
Thanks for watching.